But there's something utopian about the band. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, like the way in which musicians come together to produce something collective. Actually,
And a band is a kind of space. I mean,
Exactly.
it creates its own kind of space.
Exactly.
And really, I mean, I guess that kind of getting back to what we're doing here. I mean, the Wagon Box is like, we're trying to build a really big band of writers, of, you know, sort of fringe academics and, you know, unprofessional thinkers, blue collar, sort of thoughtful blue collar guys, and, you know, a coalition of that type of people to do just the sort of thing you're talking about, to hone our ability to discuss things, our ability to be challenged and articulate the things that we believe. I mean, is that something like the kind of spaces that you're talking about, the cultural spaces?
Absolutely. I mean, I think that ultimately these are cultural spaces they're not just obviously physical, although they have a physical component. I mean, and ultimately it's a sort of spiritual space, which is created by a certain kind of concentration of energies and a kind of cross-pollination of energies, actually. And like the band is in a way the microcosm of the culture because
it's like the minimum viable product of the cultural space.
Well, I mean, you can see also, like, in that case, you know, how one can be, let's say, playing in harmony or not, you know, how the same group of people, like, you know, could be all very talented, but if the chemistry isn't correct, then it won't work. There's this kind of X factor, which is a little bit mysterious.
Sure.
And how do you create some kind of culture of possibility that then would enable, let's say, you know, musicians or artists, you know, to experiment productively or even discuss productively with each other? If you solve this problem, then you solve a lot of problems at the same time, actually.
Sure. Yeah, that's a problem I'm trying to solve.